Hello, hello. We are packing for a small trip for next week. Going up to Prescott again. We went up there the end of May and it was so delightful. We thought we'd go again in July. It's really hot here in the Valley of the Sun, and so going out of town right now is a really good idea. Prescott is a few thousand feet higher than we are, so the temperature is usually at least 20 degrees cooler. Plus they cool off at night nicely. So show you a couple things of what I'm bringing. Okay, got everything out here. This will be the bag that I use. It's a really good size bag. I've used it multiple times. I've used it for my chemotherapy. It has a shoe pocket down on the bottom. There's Jax. She's always ready to help. Not very helpful. So I have a couple things out for sitting out at night. The hotel that we're staying at is a historic hotel, and they have a band that plays out on the patio. I don't know if it will be moved inside or not, so I'm just going to bring a couple sweaters, just a camisole sweater, and that sweater matches with this dress. Just a simple sling type dress, very sporty. This is the same style, it's black, and so I can either wear the sweater again or wear just a blue jean throw. And then I've got a couple things here. That's my lens cleaner, but if we go hiking, I've got a shirt there for that. And then as we go downtown, I've got a couple, if we do a couple days of downtown shopping, hanging out around downtown, we will have fun with that. Of course, I have socks there, and I'll put pajamas and undergarments in that. I am bringing just a simple t-shirt for wearing downstairs to go grab coffee and breakfast. And Jax is laying on my hiking shirt that is a UV shirt. So that's about it. And I'll bring my hiking shoes, tennis shoes, probably a pair of sandals to wear with my dresses. That's really about it. And then of course toiletries. I'll bring a hamper. Last time we didn't bring a hamper, kind of wanted a hamper, so I decided to go ahead and bring one this time. And yeah, just some other toiletry items. So I will video the time up there. Should be a lot of fun.